Ever wonder how they do that? The Ollie! If you've never skated before, you're probably wondering how that's even possible. Until you learn the physics behind it. Let's talk about some forces in physics.
First, let's talk about gravity, which pulls down to the Earth's core. It combines mass and velocity.
For example, as I drop my demon hat onto the ground, the force of gravity pulls it down. Normal force is the force perpendicular to that on a surface. It keeps objects from falling through.
So, why am I not falling through the floor?
Because normal force is pushing you up from the ground. Friction is the force of motion of one object relative to that of another. For example, when you kick the ground, your foot will stop due to the force of friction holding your foot back, pushing against the direction you're going. Torque is the measure of how much forces acting upon an object cause it to rotate around its pivot point. Let's take a look at an Ollie in slow-mo. Pause. Prior to leaving the ground, the force of gravity will equal the normal force. As the downward force is applied to the tail of the board, normal force will increase at the board's point of contact with the ground. Additionally, the offset of mass from the board's pivot point will cause torque or rotation, therefore creating the pop. At this moment, the skater will drag their front foot along the board's grip tape, moving the board with them as they jump. This causes friction in the opposite direction of the drag. However, this motion will cause the board to move with the skater, overcoming the force of friction. At the trick's peak, the only force present will be the force of gravity pulling it back down to the ground. Mid-air, the skater will adjust their feet, allowing them to land the trick. However, this does not affect the physics of the Ollie. When the skater lands the trick, the force of gravity and the normal force will both increase and be equivalent due to the impact on the ground. Once you've mastered the Ollie, don't forget to try to take your tricks to the next level.
When I saw your Ollie, my jaw dropped at -9.8 meters per second squared.
Oh my god, stop it!